Keyboard shortcut keys. ctrl+a select all, ctrl+b bold, ctrl+c copy, ctrl+d font style, ctrl+e text center line, ctrl+f find the text, ctrl+g go to, ctrl+h replace, ctrl+i italic text, ctrl+j justify text, ctrl+k insert hyperlink, ctrl+l text left align, ctrl+m paragraph intent, ctrl+n new page, ctrl+o open file, ctrl+p print, ctrl+q remove indent paragraph, ctrl+r text right align, ctrl+s save, ctrl+t hanging indent, ctrl+u underline, ctrl+v paste, ctrl+w close, ctrl+x cut, ctrl+y redo, ctrl+z undo. Keyboard shortcut keys. F1 help, F2 rename selected item, F3 search, F4 open the address bar, F5 refresh the active window, F6 cycle through screen, F7 spell check in many applications, F8 boot into safe mode, F9 refresh a document in MS Word, F10 activate the menu bar, F11 enter or exit full screen mode, F12 open the save as dialog box in Microsoft Office applications. Alt shortcut keys. Alt+a table, Alt+c color, Alt+t data, Alt+e edit, Alt+f file, Alt+h help, Alt+i insert, Alt+l layout menu, Alt+m element menu, Alt+o open the format file menu, Alt+s search, Alt+t tool, Alt+v view, Alt+w window, Alt+f4 close the currently active window. Please like, share. For more updates, please do subscribe our channel and click bell icon. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. Bye bye.